Good morning, Facebook. Hopefully, you're having a great Tuesday after Labor Day weekend. I had a wonderful weekend, spent some good quality time with my boys. We got a lot accomplished. We went to the rendezvous in Fort Bridger on Saturday. Sunday, we spent all day at church pretty much. And then yesterday, we just enjoyed some time with each other, some time with our family, and just I had the boys help me clean up the house a little bit, try to help my wife while she was on call. So we just had a good weekend. It was just a good time to bond with my boys. So, let me ask you a question. Is your water city, or is your water in your home contaminating the city water line? Stay tuned. We're going to talk about this a little bit. It's really important coming up. First of all, I hope everybody had a great weekend. I really do. We like taking time off, but it also puts us behind. So we're going to have a busy Tuesday to make up for it, but that's all right. So let me ask that question. Is your water line inside your house contaminating city water? Or have you even thought about that? So the whole purpose of our profession is to protect the health and safety of the United States of America through their plumbing systems. And in doing so, we do everything in our power to try to stop any type of contamination from taking place in somebody's home. So, let's flip you around and we'll kind of explain to you what we're talking about here, okay? So right here I have a few devices that are required by code now, all right? And in these devices, they are